Good morning everyone, my name is Andri, welcome to my channel, and we are shooting today a portrait photo shoot with wonderful Mathilde. And I'm featuring my favorite outdoor portrait lens, 135mm 1.8 for Sony. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, also follow Mathilde and me on Instagram. And without further ado, let's go and I will tell you why I love this lens. I'll show you a few photos. What is it?
Oh, hi.
One more time, the same. Very tight shot. One more time, the same. So this lens is a little bit long, so you have to move around for full body shot. You have to move really far back. Now I am behind the camera, behind the video camera, so you can see that you have to move a lot with a prime lens. Do one more, the same. Let's try the same similar close-up from waist up. Very good, very good. Very good, nice. Let's see it. Still, again, I have to go back quite a little to take full body shot, maybe a little bit more from here. Nice. The compression that you get from 135 focal length, you really get very beautiful shots and very flattering portrait. Great, amazing, amazing, thank you. Okay, we turned around, we want to see the city in the background. Let's try to take a lower angle so we can see the sky and the mountains. Very blurred, but still people could see that. It looks very nice and beautiful. Let's move around. A little bit back, I will step a little bit back. Close-up shots are very nice on this lens, and if you want just waist-up portraiture, this looks amazing, and if your editing skills are good, you can make it work really, really well. As you can see, I'm trying to catch in the background, there are small lights. Moved a little bit and changed again. As you can see, the model has a black dress. Look in the camera. Yay. Smile a little bit. Difficult because we're in the city, and in the city there are many cars, and you don't want to see the cars in the shot, even in the background, even when it's blurred. Very tight lens is really good from taking out the background that you don't like or don't need. Thanks everyone for watching. Thank you Mathilde for your patience. It is very hot today in Kobe, and working as a model is very difficult in these conditions. So thank you very much again. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and also follow us on Instagram. You can see it in the description or here on the screen, our Instagram. See you next time. Goodbye.